Yeah, sure enough, Faith. We had some nice sunsets earlier this week, and this was taken by Aaron Johnson, actually 12 years old. And look at the photo quality, very nice. So if you get any nice photos in the next week or so, please send those in to me at claysmith@deltanews.tv, and I will be more than happy to share those with you on our morning show. Now, again, we are going to have some active weather moving in later on, and taking a look at the national view. A warm front is now moved to our north. That's allowing temperatures to reach near 70 degrees already. This storm system that's over Oklahoma is going to be tracking off to the east, and there's already a lot of heavy rain and thunderstorms with this. But as this continues in our direction, this cold front right here is going to help to spark some showers during the peak heating hours later this afternoon. Now, currently temperatures are in the upper 60s from Jackson to Greenwood over to Clarksdale. A little bit cooler to the north from Pine Bluff to Little Rock, where temperatures are in the 50s. But again, it is a warm start, and there was quite a bit of rain to our north this morning. That has now moved into Alabama. In North Alabama, facing some flash flooding concerns. Have they seen 2 to 3 inches of rain come down very quickly, and it looks like this is going to continue for the next couple of hours. But off to our west, not a whole lot going on. We're even seeing some broken skies here in the Delta, so pockets of sunshine will be possible through this morning. Also dealing with some patchy fog along the Mississippi River this morning. But again, it's relatively quiet here in the Delta, and that is going to continue for the next couple of hours. Now, zooming in on our radar just a bit, you can you can see, let's see, getting a little, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. And anyway, we got broken clouds here across the Delta. That heavy rain is now moved off to our north. A couple of light showers into southeastern Arkansas, but otherwise it's a pretty quiet start across the day here in the Delta. And again, later this afternoon, we're tracking that potential for some severe storms. We're going to have warm, moist flow on the Gulf of Mexico, an approaching cold front, as well as a low pressure off to our north. That's going to set the stage for some potential strong storms from Mississippi all the way into Tennessee. And you can notice that actually includes a lot of our viewing areas. So again, tracking out the rest of the day, temperatures are going to warm up very quickly into the mid to upper 70s. By around 2 or 3 o'clock, the storms start to blossom. And again, we're going to have to watch the potential for some of these to contain damaging winds as well as some hail. And March is typically our prime time to see any hail across the Delta. That's statistically when we've seen storms with the most hail. So again, we're going to have to watch over that very carefully, and this storm activity is going to continue through much of the evening, and then going into later portions of the day, it will start to dwindle down, and early tomorrow morning will cool into the 50s. Wind shift from the south to the north as that cold front passes through, and by tomorrow afternoon, we're going to rebound nicely with temperatures returning to the 70s and plenty of that Delta sunshine. Now again, we are tracking that threat for some strong storms. A slight risk has been issued for portions of North Mississippi and northern Alabama, as well as Tennessee. And notice how this includes about half of our viewing area, the other half under that marginal risk. So between 2 and 7 o'clock, if you live along the Mississippi River or west of I-55, that's going to be your best chance for any of that severe weather. If you're off to the east into eastern Alabama, eastern Mississippi and portions of Alabama, between 4 and 9 going to be the best time frame for any of those strong storms. Now again, when you have that slight risk, there's going to be severe storms possible, damaging wind and hail with some of the storms, as well as frequent lightning and heavy rain, as well as a few isolated tornadoes. Can't be ruled out, not very likely with this scenario, but still be weather aware today and have a way to receive those alerts, and stay tuned with us here at the Delta News. We'll keep you updated all day long. Now checking in on our river levels really quick. We're starting to see a rise here in Greenville above flood stage level officially today, and we're going to continue that rise through Sunday. The Yazoo River rising as well, but it looks like it's going to flatten out and hold steady around 32 feet heading into this weekend, so no major issues there. And taking a look at the rest of your today, quiet this morning, a mix of sun and clouds, but by this afternoon, we're tracking that potential for some stronger storms. It's going to be very breezy as well today. Winds out of the south-southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Tonight, a few thunder showers early. That will gradually end during the evening hours, and going into the overnight, we'll see some clearing with winds turning from the southwest to the north as that cold front passes through. Not going to cool us down all that much tomorrow, but we are going to see lower humidity and highs around 72, mostly sunny skies. A picture perfect day in the making, and really that's going to persist through this weekend. We're going to have very warm temperatures though, so if you like the 80s, this is your forecast. We're going to be near record highs heading into Friday. Our next chance for rain coming in this weekend. So